It's a 40-degree day outside, and you can see some of my bees are getting outside of the hive, flying around quickly. Some of them are going to be okay. Some of them, sadly, want to do their cleansing flight and then can't find their way back to the hive, which is very sad. They're going to struggle, and they won't be able to get back into the hive and make it, and you can't do much about that. But we're going to crack it open and check on the food supplies. We're going to add a couple of more bee patties. We finally have some really nice warm weather, though, for about a week. It's been below zero some of the nights over the last 10 days. So we want to make sure our bees have some food inside. Okay, we popped the top lid off, and you can see there's still quite a few bees on the upper part of this. And those are the ones that have been climbing out, flying out, doing their cleansing flights. There's also a number of dead bees. These are probably the ones that fed on top of here, but then it got too cold and they couldn't get back down into the bottom. So we're going to pop this off. You can see we still have one of these leftover patties sitting up here that they're not really feeding on. They haven't really had a chance to come up here to feed on that. So this is with the top super box removed. You can see the bees are still feeding pretty good in here. If I just tip this board up a bit, you can see they're still feeding down below here. So we seem to be doing okay. We're just going to drop this back down to try and retain some of that heat inside the hive, keep them all happy. There's still quite a bit of food in there, which is good news. So that's what we're looking to do here today. They're doing okay. So we're going to close this back up and let them keep feeding. This is all good. We'll have a little bit warmer weather in the next 2 weeks, so they should be able to openly feed on some of these things here. So hopefully they can make it through this winter. That's what we're trying for here.